So guys, we got a Latham control here. Neutral safety switch broke inside of it. Looks like that. I don't know where the other half went. But it's a piece of glass, and it's got a piece of metal in here that will complete the circuit when it's in neutral. So it'll start, and when it's out of neutral, you go to start it, it won't start. That's what a neutral safety switch does. So this was part of the old one. This is the new one from Latham. It's all done, all sealed up in here. So we're going to install this new one. So it goes in here. We're just going to lay this thing in here.